Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add it like Apple. So if you want notice the signature style of Apple's product videos and commercials, as you know, they use of flawless transition, clear graphics, and incredibly precise editing that makes everything look premium. So here I'm going to show you how you can achieve that minimalist high-end and ultra-smooth Apple aesthetic. I'm going to show you the basic effects that you can use in DaVinci Resolve. The first one is the transform tool. In here, once you add photos or videos, you can just add into Resolve Effects or Open Effects and search for the transform tool. This one, and drag and drop it your clip, and in here you can just adjust the edge rounding in here, so it will give your asset a modern polished feels like this. Just how you prefer. And the second one here, you need to download the Apple phone, so you can search on your browser. Just search for this one called San Francisco Pro Display phone. So this is the Apple phone. It's a free to download, so you can just download it on the internet, download phone for free, and apply it to the text on your videos or photos in DaVinci Resolve. And the third one is the drop shadow. So the drop shadow is a simple trick to make your asset looks floating. So you can just head into effects in here and search for the drop shadow, this one. You can apply it to the clip, just drag and drop. And in here you can modify or adjust it to how you like it. Shadow strength, drop angle, and also the drop distance. So it will make your objects floating in a video. And the fourth one here, you need to use the Apple wallpaper, and again you can just download it online. So just search for Apple wallpaper. You can just download it on the internet. Last one is smooth animation. As you know that Apple commercials and video usually have smooth and animations. You can just create that in DaVinci Resolve. So that's the tips and tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.